Now no me message no. Send me nuano. And me yo sign your ray. I me pese o kentine wo ho. Na obuaye. Na yenso yetimi enya asumdwe wo yefie. The time I think o teste me no. Na fancy me so no mani ajepa. Entina mitimi ne wo chat de no. E can be free to me and address a canine with the NBD and Kako Yensem can be a main respondee. But all the same, I hope they be able to Yada Cropon Asi. Ashanti region. Many say ye Kasawa February.
Yes, on phone.
Okay. Oba ya Namenewa Edinko Moha. That was on phone.
Yes, on phone, yes.
Yeah. And I think before the end of the year, Oba Emma Onenana.
Yes.
And we were talking about then this was still the power situation. It'll be real latter part of the year. Part of the year was it okay? So February yetwetwe nkomo. Eba wo ka kire say there are just men can say small hitches be and they so a handle. And after that no enyamakania no ebegina so. And I bisa naka with the following week crowd it will be fine. And you were expecting Senka Ashanti region ebenya stability kakra. Afedie free ho bisi April you cry say na ano ayedin. We never heard of any plan of what is going on like transformer installment and all that. But what we knew was that the problem of Ashanti region you say you were technical hitches na more fix here which will be done soon. Problem no more ntimi anye am fix here na. Let me start from there.
Okay, but that's enough when you're the man and pay na yafa kwan switch here with for na share for abe for Facebook so na in fact answer na ye be shen komotwetwe na se
ma wonen so kakra ma me
answer na be shen komotwetwe na se kwa ko no ye be say they are chop akese e feel electric company of Ghana.
Okay,
aso e made for was Ashanti na because kane anya de obutum DC
yeah
ejina so obi hu ejina so afi twum obi hu no mbo aba so enjina so obi hu te ba ne sana beautiful be kasa
sure
na in fact we share last editorial year about 2 weeks ago now beautiful like kakra mo say no in fact customers no the complaints were severe in fact answer na be chichi me that chop packet be me beautiful na afi person ento beautiful asum say ya mpase be defend say ye be twimanso argument debi enya sada because no makane nyina mudi bim
right
kane anu nyina so Ashanti for the past almost a month because
it's more than that
but it was February 7 all kind of
February I think it was 11th or so somewhere there about yes, first week or second week of
yes I don't know how be buying so but they can't the whole instability affected different parts
right
but nidi kan per se beautiful say it didn't doom so no bibinti na say din e baaye na brebe twe midman 2013-14 na power ni bi enni ho kra okay no ya say ye be che power no nti anopa e be doom friend is a maxima enwe na socket to chrono na de chen ye doom atunso
tinenu ye load shedding
nde this are doom so say first na ye doom na so ye doom na so eno no because of problem bia e wo hon fast forward na men cha de it's a problem in here as a country. In the case of people, solve all generation challenges. We don't have generation issues. I because power ni be a new kra.
Okay.
And now face no transmission. We are fine in the region.
So you be free baby ya one can ya no be ko
because we made na dina ya kwa say ECG ya kwa say mama tunton ntus na de ojo
ukutu nu abeton
exactly enye mama tunton ntus na dua ye obi odua to dua na ka akofa aba to ni odua no na afi ya hyenik na otu dua bebre eti ntus ho ensan so so is power ensan afi so kai akofa free ejom eba no and transmission grid ko form home no so fine the first na say coastal bus na yesu afi yesu VIP makopolo ni bi nti fine betu
na leakages no nyina so
na fo ba be du dwomo no ma e bia table edi susu no e bia table na ebu kakra e bia pan ni bi ni hono e bia ntos be be ko see no ese na that nti sa problems na afi yedi na benya distribution no mu kaka that's the sub transmission and distribution network and no problem ne by na unlike they see last year na your major cable fault rich BSP no
okay
I bit waka say to mo amonya problem wentia sa cable no ya repair o yen sisi yes san into this year nya sa problem ba fe ne e koso no akwa come so nya bia ne peculiar problem na betima bo problems ne bia aba no so tofa
okay
e bia po ebuye weekend ni Oshimase top so hon Oshimase fitness club fifo aba this logo dey say ebia ba has that enclave on post mi no ebuye na dey yan couple say obi ato wall afa po no nti achechira ase no po no nhyeda enya hode
wato wall abefa po n'echi
po no chim
esim nti muntimi nko inside
exactly and afi so no esan say concrete na chipo no po na ase no aye den
odi abopo di
mechanical enti infama no ebosa na already no ase na aye time te so dey empty na ebu atos ebu ye pan se ti na transform be enti to member po no so ebu ye
wow
ina ebu ye enti na ba ne sa ese ye den yeko na yeko sisi ade beba ade ambra awonjura about enti me say I think say yeko no say have a conversation about size of billboards no because
billboards are yesi kwam ade ebi wo adodo ho ebi soso
serious pa and ebi wo ka base on concrete na omugugu ye cable soso na say dey see wo anloga junction so crap no unse na edin man be break crap and after the need to our offend say ade beba ya hono mira monum unse ahoma no eye na fa power no nti edu nyina say bia power no ebem bebre sa na awan ba fun kakra
okay
te ba fun kakra na say ka we ni say offend say billboard ne pe kan ya ne bedum eti yekodo na obi so etonton ne ma on mu onu aseme ka che ma me no nyame ne do because say eka billboard no so ya dade metal is a very good conductor of electricity mo am here science manya science so me ati na me kasa by say metal is a good conductor of electricity eti aka ma me no kan street obi won eti issues e bi o crap a ahoma tetoye na nsia even more evidence thread Hemaya Petia Pichi number 1 Sam me ni nyina abis cable fault mean sub transmission like they call a friend say achiase onum ebi okọ echa akrom like tunya problem onum
ni nyina ya challenges
are everybody na ade ani ntinu na afi so crap no hwe say isu no to see crap a ne etie ne say ebi wo na frama no ebo ahaban ko ka ya homa ne say ebi okọ edu ebuka buto so na ntini nya so say obeka say dent na yembo mamane na eban kane duma yewo planned and an unplanned outage. Planned maintenance yen will control yen ya NCC machines ni edidi jwana se be extension be na se ye transformer grid bi ibe dum kania na ya sa maintenance work no inteno ye den kai ba bonte so we bia if you there be anaya there be kania no be call free 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock ebeba ye de sakata ba bonte but fault no ye unplanned outage no and na adroso no yentumi kan just afford be say nyumre nti ebo amane de bi say amaka so bi no betu aka so tu ne car ne time be pai de bi be betumi si wo kwan mo koyi na say betu ba crap na break e feel you never
no but obviously so wo ba be to say ye ha ayija tech no ne ade a ye serious every minute bia ye doom no and from what you are saying no just say fault ba na mu doom no na mo akọ repair any ade and I don't
make say plan about fort ba kania ne dum anya ne dum fort na ba kania na bedum
kania ne dum
say fort ba kan waka na
enti for ayija ma me fa ha as a case study
ayija extension maxima we more point our for this SG more
area
affordable housing
yes ye hwe eno nko a within a day ebetumi akobe men kan say be 10 times you can count na sa eno no etwaso days no nya say bia yaye no ba ko mienu bi and you have it occurring ma monitor we say so frequently it's not like bia fault bia banti no eno edum mo abeya amanaso eno an say edum is it that muntimi identify fault no enye emaye ana say then na ekọ so ntu abiribi I say dum say I don't understand. I had the nankasa me were problem because that's where I've monitored a lot.
Okay, thank you very much. Now o share has in na say interna obo asin me bon kru na account because of line na ba asin. Your friend is say ofuru room line. Sometimes you to make transfer load to Amakom line if there's a problem with Fulcrum.
Okay.
The Fulcrum only free a KTI substation one. KTI substation free rich box supply point on airban. It's sometimes problem to me back ewo Fulcrum line so. Now the things is this how our operation procedure is.
Okay.
The even mama safety advice will come. Se power no duma. Ni di kan control mo train kakra. After 3 to 4 minutes. No ama try line ibium. To see if it will hold, because based on the indications, say power and call for we see it on the dashboard. Based on the indication, after 5 minutes or trying and far or trying cannot start tribute. It's the second time I'm funny pay. Then now you're supposed to move on the line.
Okay.
There's something called troubleshooting.
Okay.
And troubleshooting here were isolators, first auto recluses, VITs, be on network.
Yeah.
Teno sano, it will trace fault. It's tracing the fault. Obie ebia. NOP will ha ni will ha. No wa try ahwe nti sa party hold it which means any fault in near say.
Right.
No we close it. No I call the next isolation point the same thing. Say how no me hold it which is that is where the fault is. And in doing that even if it's a cable fault now what we have to do is now ebi a bit maga say be cable fault e be chenti yeah transfer mu akọ.
Yeah.
Ebi your friend is the Amakom line. The transfer into all that into we say they make be 6 outages within that period in the AC one. And you say ya shedana ye dundum ni say or something.
But how long does it take? Because almost a month. That's our experience in Igusu. I said that mona hunu ye. And answer mon Crawford now umunim diesha. And I didn't know muntimim fixing my intem. That's the problem we have.
If you look at process now, me don't run you through that. Omo identify fault ni we no. Ebia they can say a better so ye transfer alcohol your friend is in different lines so. Now the chombe sa fault ni pe they are supposed to reverse the operation. So tell me can I say
because the more you nyina no more reverse it.
No because na problem wo ofurukrum line so awoda so. Nti essence yin to me enya fault sada no. Ya transfer kwa Amakom line so. Afia be fix so ofurukrum line we have to return you to the ofurukrum line. Unim ntia because Amakom line the load was not meant for more wasin. It was just a temporary something. Ya shwe ni amumyu no mokoso kwa they might bring a problem over there because originally this is your line.
How long does that take? Say a bit din na saying na sa switchy
no, the switching up it doesn't happen so debia nenya because me sure say na who can say enye debia na ko 10 times sadan. I have to be very enye debia say na ko 10 times or china ko 10 times ya wada ko 10 times if ya da ko 10 times ko say da na say me da ko enye sa na ti debia baby asa na ka debia every week. But as we speak, I think for some time now, that on and off has stopped. Now, your friend is saying, we had a challenge. Sakibu for Damaka and Loga has seen. And if we realize that film was about 3 days. No, on this soon. And yet, because yin to me your fault, no. Ya could do on cable fault, no. I said, test van identify fault, to identify fault, I see it two form. Yeah, the normal pickers might be too for but yeah, I might feel in concrete now, you go for mono. Yeah, the compressor saba into me conform. Into which is at the end of that, we have to live with the 3 DCs around as a corman pon, full crew, and then asokwa. But
my problem is it doesn't take a day for people fans will be sit down in the wall to say okay, or then a wall across it pool. Yeah. Ibu ye mark and near Dumu or the other area working. Any Amnoga Junction, it wouldn't take 1 day for them to develop concrete, no? Yeah. ECG monitoring a week, Anna.
And you say monitoring a week. Who grants permit for this project?
But then if you are monitoring, no between who are the one granting who say, why are you doing this? Your cable show. It seems like I say I see
let me tell you
because I didn't know I will watch you. There. That billboard na no mercy no. I will watch it. The problem your cable was down there. Nobody cares until problem by answer na muko tutu.
You see, every institution independent. Every institution independent.
But collaboration.
We can't tell the assembly what to do. Say yes, so you free on.
But we move.
We did. In fact, even when the police we visited KMA.
And what did they say? Say
oh yeah, Beshe, it's still there. Let me give you a classic example. Oh, call Sunyani Quine as well.
Moko Zubaho.
He's not. He wasn't in the country.
Okay.
He was in Waba Andrew, so he wasn't in the country. But we went to the engineer and then the director over there. I have to be honest. I'm saying this on radio. 2, the old call Sunyane Kwaniswa. When you get to after Kropojansi, it was intense rain, fancy the enclave. On your right, both items put issue Bishop more on between and I. Remember, quite one with enough assembly. Then they show them pictures. That thing is still there.
Next assemblies name Wamu.
You see, like you said, we'll make a move. This billboard, as I did see a concrete there, I believe you were there. You saw everything that was happening.
Yeah.
Sometimes, for safety, to prevent whatever that is happening, they will decide to we'll go overhead. Yeah, far cable no far from, they will go overhead. But if there is no corridor also, then they will have to go back there again. Okay. I said, we are there about the couple is not cable fort no crap on. Aside billboard no, cable fort no be containers as soon as any pan we be over. You see,
Ojetum says it all boils down to weak monitoring of more lines and only baby a war, because if you have been doing it, fort on Koban San when he has been moved with Sadi and every but if it's not working, crumble media call higher authority, because the assemblies are under local government and you can petition any of the it seems like I say the answer them from GBBS now very critical. That's where we need
when it comes to monitoring, because some machines now will end my second in fact because first of all, and you say didn't say a monitor no crap say ebia na obo say you will be a friend line patrol na over line maintenance won't be juma you will be a friend preventive maintenance and some patrol line control say ebia jumper be a week ebia o ma be asage ebia po be achia na sane to identify all this before the fault. Okay, because these are potential causes of fault. They always patrol the line. They will see these things. About the transformer and this one, and you may be your staff no could be a load monitoring exercise. They see everything. But then sometimes no can collaboration authority. That's why I want to commend the former regional minister. Okay, maybe we'll lead some demolition exercise around the Swami.
Simon say
yes.
Okay.
He led us and went to do those demolition exercises there. Last year, as last 2 years, even in Cry, Gridco was trying to do a demolition exercise there. You heard the outcry. You heard the outcome. Sometimes when the issues, I mean, we'll try everything. We just have to do what? Improvise. Say, we'll go overhead. Because you see, even let's go to Edum right now. We'll do Edum Central Business District. Now, if we want to even go overhead, corridor is a challenge.
Because the story buildings, no need. The moon to me for human infrastructure, just all the fafem. Abrosan, no world.
Do we so because a monetary week in Tennessee because we didn't sell the land.
All right.
So, and I was saying, ECG, though, yes, we have right of way issue, other than sometimes even when you look at the Outages and the dwellers, we had a right of way issue, but once they expand the road, until we have to relocate them. Though we had the right of way, but we have to relocate them.
Okay.
Sometimes national development discourse also takes precedence. That was one of them. Until we share faults here, identified the enclave, Metumaka say, because I'm the OTA manager director press conference now, we've announced some major projects Ashanti. And if you look at the enclave, a bit to say Kokobia Pier Stadium enclave, Trade Kuchi, Bekwame, Kranza, and Pame, that enclave. Sometimes, and yet the video, sometimes Kokobia and Kazanga, sometimes the voltage issue were the challenge. Now, voltage issue, no. The reason why we face that voltage is to say ammonia power free as a chain substation.
Okay.
Now as a chain ni yi mo esanka 5 free range box supply points because we free as a chain so only as a chain you also as a chain friend say Georgia Hotel 8 year. But it's say constraints or region into we are forced say I'm pick it load all the way from our so box supply point until from our so as an ababwe there as an akokase as an do as a chain until we do na voltage depths no echo from that. Right. By the lesson come free rate straight. Tidnia say any grid for any town dey be in fact yem depo no makasa. The grid go be so say na somba upgrade transfer back wa or made the same thing with rage. But last time any active nation or say instead of one to upgrade 2. But one never first as a later on second one aba. Into to upgrade that transfer one now if bit many the capacity
amount of
to evacuate more power, then we can add as a team to reach.
Okay.
So that will improve the voltage profile over there.
Right. Before Sembeko lines, and so I want my listeners to be someone Simbika from where they are and all that. But the transformer issue, our boss, How many transformers near change in Ashanti region? Because President Akas a nationwide change of transformers. How many? And the year no more started.
Okay.
About
transformers are your power transformers or distribution transformers.
Right.
Distribution transformers is the only man transforming kitten.
Okay.
Power transformers you do the for because a substation baby pylons now they need see what substation to know kesia pa and different power transformers be 20 MV be into one for the grid co be na near cost to Accra na you power transformers or move replace to various substations until be able to call mind your lash be at least being some of my doing Accra, so I know the enclave very well or more upgrade those ones for the because I don't know AIM okay Oba Kumasi and Ashanti region right now they need be as I say on the drawing board and we are critical pa rich the me can once and on the grid close side so we na so ya upgrading and so yes side no so account was oko ejuna say the transformer is okay the load oko as a chima it's okay oko your friend say offense that those various substations now okay we've not got into in terms of the power transformers upgrade no and Kumasi what we are expecting here with but for distribution transformers our minister announced 2,500 transformers yeah sha said that
okay
yeah sha said
what started that be
beginning of friend say in April so let's say beginning of the year we started but we intensified it this month
okay April
until I can even give you areas so could be just so empower me as some you know one
right
near is both upgrade and an injection then I make a thing in say ebia obeko o man timo transformer near 200 now o transformer here 200 now say fa load 267 amps
okay
into your share na say ebia you do our 70% it will start 200 and the 315 abesi on now picking into near upgrade maybe a share 200 now ebia the next one now ebia kunu near beyond center of the load into be say the pulse was a 6 BC the second transformer near injection into near shots and this in Ashanti we are likely to do more than 700 alone.
700
we are likely to do more than 700 over here alone.
Okay, that's
what we are likely to do.
Right, mama my chief from rem na onso bia untimi mfra you can WhatsApp this number 059 684 1571 059 682 1571. It these numbers no be to me WhatsApp bia 059 682 1571 059 682 1571 o WhatsApp ya ye be kan ne bisa question am aba obetumi aba homa no so na baby a wo area no power situation at saying and more experience more money hu se be ya one mobile indicate at 0322083581 83582 83583 0322083581 83582 83583 mo meka mo asem hello
akwa
minia
memo achala pa yo
mejo so
ala pa ma mecha pa la ya mo abasola ya gase ya kubonsha ubojuma
ami
na mecha pa cha ba kwa bibi sagete no ba Ashanti region hello na butike ma Ashanti organizer ma menchi omo pa akwa uwe kejeti asemia la ye ke anwa asemia eje mo se ye no modern wine
debi ye nkania ho nkomodi ma bie fo nkania asem wo area ho kanea no te saying ECG PR wo ha ese kan wo situation e wo ho e kire no na yenhwe how wo area no in terms of electricity power supply hello
we dey not enkama sef ye ho ade mo
enkan wo so emos
portrait about me juma papa and somehow
mpa
portrait about ya me sen kan akore the last system no enye kwa papa kakra bi afon na me filo sa kodu me fie bu sori a aye kwabre papa ene ahwakwa de etimidi 3 days ni enya light name ye be srempen for omnum na ommoye se say electricity ni say ni mebebre omonhwe na problem e wo bia no omon solve mayen na me 3 days ni me nto mata de da ensam ha
mpa Amos airport runabout okay hello
akokwa
minia
asari be me do route today
all right asari into we
akokwa mama mo ni adwuma wo bo adwuma
me das
ai na me change forward asuma kwa ngoma nyina akokwa de me pete me bisa che Ghana light no esuro mframana so wodire ho a wonti ahye mframa kakra bi bo ehye dum light ni nyina na pese me bisa che Ghana light esuro mframana akokwa matra libo border Cote d'Ivoire border hono ye betumi aduma libo nkane nyina mframa kakra bi ba ya na ye duma libo nkane nyina border hono mu nyina na ye dum no na Cote d'Ivoire de esisu dwan ensu na ya eto no na Cote d'Ivoire de ensu mintimi hu se problem bi na wo hono ma aden no mu mienhu na da bia na ye dum light no e bia de 1 week na se ye de ye solve problem ni nyina o mu mienhu se bia 1 week we de ye de solve problem ni nyina tu pia na nim se bia ye de ya nkane na ye bedum no na we de ye hu no he eno ani se ye dum no saa enti problem bi na wo akokwa o mienhu.
Okay, me that's Mamiki. As the lighting issues around Agric in Zema, the load on that stretch is too high. Also Francis, also say Ofrid that by new site. The situation is not fair. Hello.
Hello, Kokwa.
Minia.
Mune Jumo.
Me that's Minia.
Mpacha wadi na Joel. Mi do hanma kokobin.
All right, Joel. And can you answer me to say?
Can you answer me there? Babia o be like some ma dey chance dey kola kokobin e bo food e call uran bebu a place mu na how. Hajun tin penny phone mu se na nye tutu ya maye. Baby I say do so timetable na mu de ba o mu family na hu dey say. Na wo dem so tin na sare be kan e so mu na ya tin frama fa ya tin. So no. Oh, I ask
all right, I asked someone pa. Obetumi I was up 059-682-1571. Maybe I will be able to me send the WhatsApp no be kind amano na where you are no. Come up. Hello. Okay, hello.
Hello, Agua.
Minia.
If I show a premier technology, go in because I put to the world.
All right, I put to you.
Agua. The world they had here. A lightest is Agua. It's a disco ball. It's a pre do no. Pre what do now be away so free this so kwaku do no. Pre obedu ba pania aso. Simple for no kwaku believe say because of that lighting system the way they have who may be fishi. You find ameli how do the way they also family be be the fishi because of light do to ya e mama ni fishi. I don't know what say basa. Oh, what the do na mo kase dia e bedum no na modum no. But mo can be the word that we do like that for 5 times. Are they? They say, I'm from a fire and you do like no. If you play and you do like no, are they? Mo can do more can be betrayed. I said, move, pray, move, fear what the weather. I don't know what's about that.
Me that's say. People are frustrated. OTM into what they command penny for ECG PR now. Hello?
I won't go to Yankamo.
Enkauso. All right.
Jam do pay more chuma kwaguma. I go be can say me na say ni pa me na nya adwen say. He say PRO ha say yes yen kan asem chen. O so for time table me. Na time table no dey bre no say be e na be boy ni ana. He say akokwa ye tuan kan ya ne ka. Ye din kan ya ne ye adwuma. Enti kan ya ne nyina so mayen. Sa na ye pe no. Yen pe say time table no fa mre akokwa me do ba sokoba krofroma. Me ye committee chairman ho. You will problem of pa is your toy like a crabina light and a point transformer bed 3. Now the enemy how far back we say transformer back chrono and a hopa station and about me one new site. Now new site the end new site the end say na the all quano to say the number for by new site for the end at the end home. The all quano so almost say and only I sign for Ejuma. Etiano no munye this I sign for the beye na yentia se munyina mo so ye ECG fo e na ade no so okuro na mu adentia afa mi kroma deja abosom twe e se abosom twe ase e won so ye dum like pop mentia se the last one e ye wo so ko by wood village akoko ase for to balance ni bi so a ade se ECG fo ba wo kesina e wo won gigi sika me ko ye adwuma na me hu sa ade we sei wo kesina gigi sika adwumayefo na wo empatam ni no omo gigi sika de ma ECG fo ansana o ma ba ye sa adwuma na ma yen adentia eti panifo ni ya no ma me da se.
Okay. Right, yemfa ofre nunsi wona onyi nsem no aba no ano kakra emfa mayen. So Ben, areas we start from the last one.
I think there's a last call kai no nye terminal CBP but do eri nchinchima ba na fi customers are looking for it. Okay, what's next? Then I'm more year the boy. Yeah, till the more kind of more house in this, but then pan I'm more year the boy. In fact, for better massapane, my Nhyira, Mode Abba. Near Tiana say, yes, shall see free. Yeah, as some okay, in fact, mood dream pa. Mr. Last, and you will say, a perception, Mr. Say, a mighty first cancer on solve a problem. That be inside because last me, I'm not transform a say, or se passe a job for a minimum manager or call. It transfer could say, a papa be a fabu or move from house to house, or could just come here and say, then oil. No, so just kind of mice or say, why we catch your soap. But of course, oh, yes, why went to your own cania? That is what they've been doing. And Mr. Yes, that thing from it. It's not because only we say to your service charge every month. And internet buy best service, you best service free because you've paid your service charge. Into Mr. You enjoy us as soon as you might see for because Mr. and yes, no. After Canyan Semno, yes, Osha Agricans in Massemna or Kayana. In fact, initially, not war transformer issue. Right. Now, I'm transformer and then to me power crap when that was 100. Sisia Menoka say you are upgrading to 200 with a pending additional 200 back account. Okay. But challenge Omunya the last 1 week here is Yabeline. Okay. Any problem? In fact, for like 1 week now, the power has not been stable in that enclave. But as we speak, Andra any answer and call off until I think she will attest to the first improvement boom. Right. But a Greek is the second transformer will come because can injection those new transformers they ban come. Right. Now when you go to Ainma Kobe Mekaye, also ka voltage issue na meka system voltage issue say because of the omunya free na there. But and check Greek will start that way no. But some more peculiar issue be they can visit the district name ko ape tap. There will be a lot of friend tap. We can increase it from tap 3 to 4 or 5. Okay. By in doing that, one on the best so any high voltage issue. Okay. I feel so no the buy new site code. The buy new site code. Near China say ECG the announcement manager announced and I have spent 1.11 billion Ghana cedis in Ashanti region alone. The whole ECG spent 3.64 and 1.11 about Ashanti. We are very excited about it. Okay. Because that project to do now actually is a bit to me Buakani and Sam account. Oshe omo your friend is saying from we oko adrato abrepo bruni krum abrepo subonte ampame oshim amanfrum adankwam kwa kopem offenso kodie more dinasna adina. There is good news. Okay. Sub transmission free adrato to by to offenso. Right. That project is being captured as a priority project in Ashanti region. Okay. I don't know afibe kwe be like a project na 1.11 billion na shimu afi so no awomaso to kase for awomaso to body to kase eno so e kan e wo no. Okay. It will share a putoja adeja line free your friend is say Kase substation. Right. Into over the weekend, a challenge. Into over the weekend, no more off for palm, no Kase TV. When there's any challenge at our muscle, it affects them. I'd say to me transfer load no to rage, but because of the understand and I say cable issues now, I don't know. A book up what infant Jesus on me inside Ramon. I say you call overhead. Yeah. We are working because cable no they be my problem. There's look at investments no. Right. It's yes, you take consensus no. Which we've accepted in good faith. Inside there are choppers, but the area found him. I feel because it's a Kanya is so torna Kanya dundum. Near tell say no crane say in from is so torna from a case air boss ana. Emma I bear a habai and I say areas na bamboo. No be before say ote atwa boko e ben kumase. Pamula ne kwa atuma so kwanto e fa room trabu machi wona ade ko pie ne so no so matu. It dey see obia e affected. Yeah. The officer out to Kromo, Obu Obaka Soti, Sofia Saman Kitia, but Lion Adam Kwame, a quiet to Jama, a fat a chiron, a cherry soup, Bienson Benzuma, to near until a running canker crap, a doom into the yen so you be fair vegetation control. Right. If you try in Rihanna, a bim your friend is saying, our man in Seba, and become office would be a friend weak jumpers, our man so. Okay. A CS and in office, our man lines one I am man. Because the lines no selo the battle say do you a sagi kakra. Sure. Intebane sana say friend bona clash. Okay. So intebane say we ni we ntibomwa na edum ntiri nyina no e be very tension biom. Na fe dey say line for no. You be sure say you to
right.
Rotten post so post be a pro. You be say na post
budget na dey mo aye wi aba.
Oh, and then was MD announce here, and fortunately for us, I think there is a way to finance that project. Now,
all right, Ben. Mama na say so buy. Na what my explanation, but it seems on the course nearby na actually.
So those is not they were not having explanation, and if it's not explanation, no any that's all. But now my explanation one.
More need that's so more be solve.
Yes, project nearby. And then to MD no.
Be say.
Who say MD no announce it or channel no be come say. That's how serious the issue is.
Okay.
Eti or announce do share press statement na. Or was 0 to 6 months there.
Okay.
And or 6 to 12 months there.
Okay.
The project in na fall under it will be there. Eti the afibio ko the no most of the projects would have been because key one be per there come so.
Okay.
Aside by case them will a free Ahomaso airport.
Right.
Because Ahomaso airport na South airport. There is a straight line. But for a person called my own be kofa. A chance through for there and back to airport.
Okay.
Team.
Right. Okay. Ben.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes,
Ashanti Regional PRO for ECG. Na meneno etwetwe nkomo anopei na utieti nkomo ni nyina mu a utimu se just say ensem ho but we are hoping say won betumi affixing in term dia maye na Benjamin Obin Antwi any abodi nyina Nhyira 104.5 it's been 20 years and Milo edi dwuma sa anti Mr. Milo no bomoden na